I'm releasing this short video so that I can give a brief update to some changes I'm making in the instructional content that relates to Rick Sirwood's watercolor. I'm pleased to announce the addition of my new online learning center, which is now live. I'll continue to post free content on my YouTube channel, which now has over 180 videos, as I have for the past 18 months. I'll now be supporting 3 levels of instruction: YouTube, online courses, and in-person workshops. The first available online course is my Paint Along Winter River's Edge. I'll add more courses over time. Winter River's Edge is a self-paced course you can view anytime, as often as you'd like. It's a combination of video and downloadable content. I'm looking forward to the opportunity to continue to provide content on YouTube, but also offer more in-depth instruction and development in my online learning center, as well as my in-person workshops. To learn more about my online learning center, you can follow this link, which I've included in the description of this video, or you can go to the online learning center page, which has been added to my website, rsirwoodsart.com.